Okay, now question number 47, right? Start from that one. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now just see the paper. Sodium hydrogen sulfate, right?
What is? Oh, yeah, sodium. My પાસે નથી.
Okay, sodium hydrogen sulfate. Now, what is hydrogen sulfate? We'll see it is hydrogen, right? Hydrogen is having how many electrons? Valence electrons? It is one only, right?
Yeah.
Then sulfate is a which type of bond sulfate? SO, SO3. It is having -2. Just see my paper. It is having -2. Okay. So sodium hydrogen sulfate, it will become sodium is Na, hydrogen H, sulfate is SO3. So Na plus and H plus 2 plus will be there, and SO3 is minus. This is H plus, then Na plus, then SO3 -2. So these 1 plus these -2. So this will become a neutral. So this become HNaSO3, right? That is what is sodium hydrogen sulfate, right? Are you able to follow with me?
Yes.
Okay, then next, this is A part. Where is B part? B part also you see it?
Yeah, lithium. No. Lithium per magnet.
Permanganate. Lithium permanganate,
Per magnet.
right? Lithium permanganate. I will just open the question also. Lithium permanganate.
Yeah.
It is or page number. Which one is page number? Questions. Just I will show the lithium permanganate. Question number 47. I will just come through question also. Lithium permanganate. Okay. Then permanganate is MnO4. MnO4, right? It is having valency of 1, right?
Yeah.
So this is having a valency of
4.
1. And lithium is having a valency of +1. So this will become lithium permanganate, LiMnO4, right? Lithium permanganate. Then how this is magnet is there? Magnesium. Magnesium is Mn. Mn is having 7. So it will be having a double bond. I have shown a bond also in right side,
Yeah.
right? It is having a bond also, this bond. Okay. Then next comes to your, see, magnesium have 7 electrons. So how it is bonding is there? Are you able to understand? See, this is magnesium is having 7. So there 6 are bond. Magnesium you will show here. Magnesium, you see my figure. This magnesium Mn is having 7 electrons, right? 7 valence electrons. So two here, 2 here, 2 here, and 1 here. So this one is having one with the this one is having with the one oxygen I have shown. No? So it is having -1. It is having a deficit of 1 electron because it is not having 8 electrons, right? Magnesium. It is having 7 electrons. So it is having -1 valency, right? And lithium is having +1. Alkaline metal is there, right? So it will be having LiMnO4. How it is there? See, lithium is having +1. Then
Yeah.
MnO4 is having -1. So how
-1.
it happens? This valency comes here, this comes here. So it will become
So
lithium
LiMnO4.
4. Okay. So now comes the silver nitrate. As a theoretical portion, do you have any problem? How
No.
bonds are formed? No? Right. Then silver nitrate. Silver. Silver
Silver,
is having
silver one.
Ag1. Okay. Nitrate is having
Nitrate is having
-1.
-1, -1.
Okay. So this will become how it becomes this
AgNO3.
Ag1 NO3 -1. This will be crossed. So AgNO3.
Yes.
AgNO3 will be the there. Okay.
Oh,
Then potassium and sulfate. See,
so
you should remember that sulfate, right? Na?
yes.
Sulfate is having valency of -2, right? And
Yeah.
potassium is having +1. So it will,
So it should be K2
yeah. See,
SO4.
potassium is having +1, SO4 is having 2.
Yeah.
So how it happens? The
So
K
K2.
here comes 1 and SO4 comes 2. So this
Yeah.
2 will multiply with this one will multiply with this. So it will become K2SO4,
4.
right? So
Yeah.
this is known as potassium sulfate. The valency cross multiply it, right? See, in case of H2O, how it forms? H is having valency 1, oxygen having 2. So when they are forming, they will form like this H2O, right? So valency of oxygen is 2. Here is valency of oxygen 2, hydrogen 1. But when they are doing chemical bonding or chemical reaction, cross multiplication will be there. What is the formula, right? So it will be H2O like. Then rubidium hydrogen sulfate. Rubidium is having valency of 1 and hydrogen sulfate HSO4 is having valency of -1. See, HSO4 is already a chemical, this one compound, right? HSO4, it is having a valency of -1. So how it will be combining? Then rubidium 1 HSO4 1. This is -1. This is +1. Both will be having 1. So it will be rubidium HSO4, right? Are you able to see it?
Yes.
Then next comes the potassium hydrogen carbonate. Both are having valency of 1. Are you able to see 47F?
Yes.
And then valency is 1 means both will be having KHCO3. Like that, the formation is taking place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then question number 49.
9. Silver perchlorate. Silver perchlorate.
Hmm.
So that would be, so is Ag. So Ag has 1 and chlorine, no, ClO4 has -1.
Yeah.
So it's AgClO4.
ClO4. Both are having 1 valency. So it will become AgClO4.
4.
Chlorate. Yeah, na?
Yes.
Chlorine has become chlorate.
Yeah.
Okay. Now second comes to chromium 3 sulfate. Okay.
Okay.
Now chromium is a transient metal which has got valency of 2 also and valency of 3 also. See, chromium is having valency of 2 also and chromium is having valency of 3 also because this is a transient material. Transient material have various valency. So here it is given already given chromium 3. So we have to take a chromium 3 only. Chromium 3, then sulfate, then SO3 minus 2. So how it will become? Here it will become 3, it will come 2. So this will be multiplying with this, and this will be multiplying with this. So this will become chromium 2, SO3, whole 3. right? See, we have to put the valency of chromium. Chromium valency is how much?
Chromium valency is 2.
Chromium valency is 3.
Oh yeah, chromium valency is 3.
3, right? So here it comes to chromium valency is 3 here.
Yes.
Here it is chromium valency is 3. So SO3 valency is 2. Now when we are making a formula, we have to put chromium valency here, chromium valency come here, and SO3 valency come here. And it will be cross multiplication. So chromium will getting a valency of 2 and SO3 will getting a valency of 3. So it will become chromium 2, SO3, 3. Right?
Yes.
This is become, if there is chromium, here it is already given chromium 3. Chromium 3. If it is given a chromium 2, then we have to give chromium plus 2 and SO3 minus 2. Then it will come CrSO3 only, right? So depending on chromium 2 or chromium 3, it will change, right? Are you able to follow me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next comes calcium nitrate.
Okay.
Calcium is having
2
2 and nitrate is having
minus 3.
nitrogen having minus 3. So how it will become here? It will
So
become 2, it will
it'll be
become 3.
Ca 3 and 2.
Yeah. Now you can see in whiteboard. Are you able to see whiteboard?
Yeah.
है ना? Here it will be in the cross multiplication. This will be cross multiplication. Okay? Yeah, that will be there. No, it will be not on superscript. It will be here. It will be like this. Ca3 subscript, not superscript, and 2. You have given it. These are wrong. Interpretation will be here. It will be at bottom side. Okay? It cannot be like, see, whenever writing H2O, we are writing like this, not like this. We are not writing like this, na?
Yeah.
So it will be H2O, right? So here, whatever is there, Ca3 means what it indicates Ca3? There are 3 atoms of calcium, right? N2 means there are 2 atoms of nitrogen, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, in H2 what happens? 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, right? Now, next come ammonium dichlorate. Di means
2.
2. Now, ammonium is already a valency of NH4 plus,
Yeah.
NH4 and plus 1. Then chromate. Chromate means, dichromate means 2. Chromium is second. Chromium is also a transient material which has got valency, different valency, 2 and 3. So here it is given dichromate means 2. And chromate is O7. So like this it will become, and here the valency is minus 2. So dichromate something is missed. Here it will be valency of minus, it will be 1 only, I think. It will be 1 only. Then only it will become NH4, Cr2O7. Let me check it. It will become NH4. Yes, just there is some correction in this one, my book copy. Equation number 49D. It is NH4, right? Having a valency of 1 and Cr2O7 is having a valency of 2. So this will be cross multiplication. So it will become NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. So, no? There
Yeah.
is some correction. I just missed the number 2. It will be NH4 whole twice, right? So you can make a correction in 49D answer. It is NH4 whole twice. Because chromium Dichromate is having 2 valency. So it will be like this. This 2 will be crossing, no?
Yeah.
It will be like. There is some mistake. I just forgot to writing 2. So that you can do it. Okay? So it will become like this one. Let's go. And now I just forget about these 2. Just you can write it down. Okay?
Okay.
Now comes to 51. What it is? Question number 51.
51. Cobalt,
Hmm.
sodium,
No,
SO3,
sodium is Na. It is S.
cobalt, sulfite, hepta, cobalt, cobalt
See,
disulfate,
7H2O is, whenever there is H2O, 7H2O, what it shows? Hydrate. H2O is hydrate, no?
hydrate,
Right? Now it is 7. 7 is hepta.
hepta,
Hepta hydrate. Now COSO4 is cobalt
cobalt
sulfate.
sulfate.
Right? And
Yeah.
we have already seen that sulfate, if you see cobalt is also transit material. It is having +2 and +3. Then sulfate, we have seen sulfate is having always -2. Now cobalt sulfate means it is having 2 only. So it will be having 2, 2 cross will be like that. So it will become COSO4. Right? COSO4, it will become cobalt sulfate. And then H2O hydrate is 7H2O. This is heptahydrate. This will become cobalt, and here it is 2, right? Because it is having a vacancy of 2. It can have a vacancy of 3 also, valency of 3 also, cobalt. So it is cobalt 2, then sulfate. It is only, this is sulfate.
Yes.
And this is hydrate. What is hepta? है ना? Hepta hydrate, right? So like this is in the nomenclature here, cobalt 2 sulfur hydrate. If suppose here it is cobalt 3, then the change will change, right? But have you read through these all 3 in your class? How to write this?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Then how you should be able to pick up, na?
Yeah.
You should not start from the zero. You should be able to know the things, na? How these are formed, something. Because I am just adding to your thing, na? Okay. Then comes to B. Then indium 3 bromide tetrahydrate. Tetra means
Tetra means 4.
4. So there will be 4 H2O. No problem.
Yeah.
It will be having 4 H2O. You can write 4 H2O here. Now then comes iridium. Iridium 2.
Iridium.
Iridium 3, sorry. Iridium 3. So we can put iridium 3. Means here it will be iridium 3. Then bromide. Bromine is having 1. So how it will become?
It'll be
Bromine is always in molecular form, right? Diatomic. Bromine is always in diatomic form. So it will become like this. This will become IR, BR2, and here IR is 3. IR 3. So it will become radium, bromide, tetrahydrate, right? So transient material, we have to show it is valence, what type of valency it is being used, whether it is number 2, number 3, or number 1, right? Then next.
next is M magnesium,
Hmm.
BrO3, 2.
Bromate.
Bromide, 2.
Hmm.
Then
Heptahydrate.
hepta, H2O,
H2 hydrate.
hydrate,
When it is mixed with some compound, it is not hydrate, right?
hydrate,
That is magnesium bromate hydrate.
hydrate.
Okay. Sorry. Now 51.
51.
51D.
Mm-hmm.
51D is potassium.
Potassium. 51D.
Potassium carbonate.
Yeah,
Right?
yes.
So potassium is having 1, carbonate is having 2. So it will become K2CO3. And how much are dihydrate means 2H2O. So this will be having cross multiplication with this, and this will be having cross multiplication with like that. So it will become K2CO3, 2H2O. Potassium carbonate hydrate. Right? Potassium is having valency of 1, this is having valency of 2. So there will be 2. See, we have to match this valency, no? This valency to this. There can be 2 atoms of potassium. So that will be 2 plus and 2 minus will be neutralized. Right? Are you able to grasp something?
Yeah.
Now 53.
53, okay. Carbon monoxide.
Yeah.
CO. B it's Ni3, nitrogen.
Carbon monoxide, what is the formula?
CO.
Yeah. And carbon dioxide?
CO2.
Yeah. The next?
Nitrogen dioxide.
Nitrogen?
I
Oxide is iodine is 3. Ni3. It is not an.
iodide. I cannot read it.
Uh, nitrogen? Triiodide.
Triiodide, I think. Yeah, triiodide.
Next?
Yeah,
C.
next is silicon
Silicon.
tre tetra
Tetrachloride.
tetra.
Chloride. Then
Then tetra nitrogen
N4SE4. N4 means what is?
and
Tetra nitrogen.
tetra nitrogen.
This is cerium.
Then,
Scandium.
then it's
Selenide.
tetra
So it is tetra. It is
selenide.
tetraselenide. Okay.
Tetra selenide.
Now you come to question number 67.
So
Have you opened your book with you? Or only the paper it is with me?
no, I have my book.
Question. Okay, question number 67. Just read the question.
67. Let me. Seven.
See, these are the questions which you have given, na? That only I selected
Okay.
based on your.
Calculate the formula for each compound. CCI4.
CCl4, not I. Chlorine. CCl4.
CCl4.
Okay. Formula mass means we have to know the mass number. See,
Yeah.
there are two things, one is atomic number, one is mass number, right?
Yes.
So carbon, if you see, it is CCl4. It is having a one component is carbon, one is chlorine, right? Carbon is having atomic number is 6. There are two things, one is atomic number and one is atomic mass. What is the difference between atomic number and atomic mass?
Atomic number is the top number on the periodic table, and atomic mass is
Number of,
the total.
see, atomic number is number of electrons or protons in the atomic mass is
Number of
neutron plus
electrons and
proton.
protons.
Mass of neutron plus proton. See, carbon is having 6 electrons. Carbon is having 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. So atomic mass will be sum of these two. So carbon here it will be 12. So here we can put carbon, you can put it here as 12, right? The chlorine. Chlorine, here it is 4 atoms of chlorine. So one chlorine is having 35.5 roughly. So 4 will be, Cl4 will be 4 into this. So 12 plus 4 into 35.5, right? So it will become to 153.81, and they are not in gram, they are not in AMU, atomic mass
Number
unit, atomic mass unit. See, if you see, mass will be 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram, like that. Mass will be like this. So small, this is known as 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, right? So mass of the electron is very less. It is 1 upon 1840 type of mass of proton or neutron. So this is not calculated. Only thing neutron plus proton, this mass is calculated, right? So here mass of carbon will be 12 and chlorine is 4. If suppose there is Cl2, then we have to do 2 into 35.5, right? Because there are two atoms. One atom is having 35.5 gram unit. So this will become. Are you able to see it?
Yes.
How we are forming? Now can you do next? B. Strontium SrNO3. Can you do in your pencil, copy pencil? Kian, is it getting recorded? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I am getting a message. It is getting recorded?
I don't know why you're getting that message.
No, but I don't think you should record it because it is not for public use, na? It is one to one only.
Yeah.
So if it is recorded, please stop it because I don't know why it is being recorded.
Yeah. It's not showing me yet.
No, but No, but you just ensure that it is not recorded.
Yes,
Tomorrow
no,
onwards, it is not recorded. Please ensure it.
yes,
Okay? Because it's not for the general public.
yeah.
Okay, now comes to next B, 67B. Just take a pen and pencil and try to solve it. 67B.
Okay. Okay.
Strontium. So how much is the atomic mass unit of strontium? I just given you in paper.
For which one?
See, it is strontium
John.
NO3 whole twice. Strontium is how much atomic mass unit number is given?
Strontium. 87.62.
Yeah, 87.62. Here it will be 87.62. And what about this? First you solve this NO3. NO3 will be how much nitrogen is?
1003.
14.
14.01.
Oxygen is having
14.01.
16. Okay. So 3 will be 16 into 3 plus this. So this will be the NO3. Right? And here it is twice of NO3. So plus twice of this will be giving you 12. First you have to solve the NO3. Because it is NO3, no? So
Yeah.
NO3 you take NO3. NO3 is 14 plus 16 and 3. 16 is 3. So it will be 48. Right?
Yes.
So here it will be NO3 is twice. So you have to take NO3. NO3 comes to 14 plus 50. It becomes 52. Right? 62. This will come 62. So here it will be twice into 62. Right? First you have to solve the inner one. How much it is. Then multiply by whatever is given in the outer one. So you will solve. Or you can solve it strontium, you can find out. Then NO nitrogen 2, you can find out nitrogen 2 or oxygen 6. Because if you open this bracket NO3 whole twice, you remove bracket, it will become N2O6, right? So you can find out N2 also and O6. What I have shown it, N2 and O6. Then total how much comes? It comes to 211.64 AMU. But in a school, is it taken up to the second point decimal or is it taken only one decimal? Because in chlorine is 35.45 chlorine. But in
Yeah.
your class, is it taken 35 only or 35.45 also? How much it is taken in your
It
class work?
in my class, it de so it depends on the what is it called? Um there's this, I know this, 1 second. I forgot the name. You have to, I know the formula, so you have to see how much it is. I just had the name on top of my head. It depends on, like, for example, depends on like 12 for carbon it has 12.007, so it has 5. And the and oxygen has like, no, then sulfur has 4, so it depends on the lowest amount of decimal numbers. One.
Okay, now you could solve C, 67C, H2SO4.
Oh,
उठा दो भाई.
H2SO4. Okay.
So hydrogen you can take, see, hydrogen can be taken as 1.01 or roughly 1 also. Hydrogen we can take it, right? And sulfur is can be taken as 32 also. right? Whole number. And oxygen can be taken as 16 also. So H2SO4. Now you can write down. I have given all these three. Now you solve how much it will come. Formula mass of sulfur H2SO4.
H2SO4.
H2 means two atoms of hydrogen.
Yeah.
So it will be 2 plus S is 32 plus O4 means 4 into 16, right?
32 plus
34
okay equals
becomes 98 AB. Because we have taken the rough
40.
number, right? Because this is also 32 point, if you take 32.07, comes 07. But you can take the whole number like this for your calculation, right? Because you cannot remember the sulfur is 32.07 or chlorine is 35.5. You can know that chlorine is 35, hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, nitrogen is 14. Like that, you have to remember the mass number also, right?
Yes.
Then D.
D
What is the C12 H22 O11?
yeah
Now
C
C, what is the mass number of C?
C is
Carbon.
12.011.
Okay, you can take roughly 12. Hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is,
And
now you calculate.
so
I have given the atomic mass number.
times 12 plus 1 times 22 plus 15.999 times 11. So that is 24 plus 22 plus 50. So that's 221.989.
No, no, no. Can you calculate it? See, this is 12 plus 22 plus 11 into 16 like this, right? It will be 12 plus 22 plus 126.
So in total
This
is
is, sorry,
220.
sorry. This is 12 into 12 because there are 12, no? It will be 12 into 12. It will be 144. So 144 plus 22 plus 126.
222.
This comes to 342 atomic mass unit, right?
Oh,
So
yes.
what do you have calculated?
Oh, sorry, I calculated wrong. I accidentally put the wrong number.
Again, you calculate it. Is
It's
it matching with mine?
342. It's 342.
342. Yeah. So now you are able to do formal mass calculation.
Yeah.
Can you do formal mass calculation for H2O?
H2O. Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 and 1 2. So 18.
Yeah, right. Okay. So now you are able to see how we can get the mass calculation to mass unit. How much? Everyone we have to see atom if it is 1. Suppose it is HO, then it will be 1 plus 16 only. Okay. right? If it is H2O, then we have to move to 2 here. It will become 18. Clear? I am not seeing whether you are able to understand these things. Or, yeah.
Yeah, I've
Then next
understood.
comes the 71.
71. 70. Okay. 71.
That is number
Determine.
of mole.
Yeah.
Now, what we know, there is one mole. One mole is there. That is known as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That is known as Avogadro's number, right? This is Avogadro's number. So one molecule of H2O or one molecule of hydrogen or one molecule of oxygen, they will have this much numbers. Number of molecules will be there, right? So now
Yeah.
what he is asking, suppose I am giving question is, suppose I am having 25.5 gram of NO2. So 1 mole of NO2 will be how much weight? First we have to get the molar mass. Molar mass of NO2. N will be having how much? 14, right?
Yes.
Oxygen will be 2 into 16, right? It will be 14 plus 32. 46. 46 gram will be having 1 mole. Okay.
Oh,
Now, this was gram will be having how much mole? We have to revise. This was 25.5 divided by 46. That is the mole it will come. Right now?
yes.
Suppose we have 1 mole is equivalent to 46 gram. Suppose I have 23 gram. How much it will have?
It will
It will
have.
be 0.5 mole. Half of this, right? So 25.5 will be having this much mole. That comes to 0.554 mole. This is the amount of mole in 25.5 gram of NO2. So
Yes.
whenever it is given, we have to first find out the molar mass. We have to find out the molar mass first. Then how do you know how molar mass is done?
Yes, it's it's I think it's molar mass is mole equals mass over molar mass.
Molar mass is the mass of the constituent, whatever is there, right? Now you see first go for C.
For C. C. Okay, so 38.2 grams of NO3.
KNO3.
KNO3.
KNO3. What is the mass of K? K
Mass
is 39.
39.0898.
Nitrogen is 14. And
Yes.
oxygen is 3 into 16. Right? So
Yeah.
calculate it, how much it comes.
Eight. So, okay. Okay.
How much it comes?
1 second. 1 times plus 3. 101.
101. Okay. Right. It is 101. Now 38 2 point. This is 1 K03. Now it is given 38. So number of mole will be N will be 38.2 upon 101 mole.
Yeah.
Right. So this will come how much?
0
0.378
0.378.
mole. Right. Now it comes to B. There is CO2. CO2 molar mass. How much it is? 12 plus
D, right?
30. Yeah, B.
B, 1 second. Okay, D. So it's 1.
रोटी नहीं क्या होती है? How much it is?
Um, it is 142.05. 05.
142. Now it
One.
is CO2.
Oh,
You are
CO.
doing question number B or next?
I'm doing question number D.
No, no. First you go for B. We have skipped na B. Now you see B first.
Oh, we're doing B? Oh, I thought
Yeah, B.
we were doing
No,
D.
no, B. First
B, okay.
B.
So for B, let me do this.
CO2.
So for B, it is B 44.01.
What 44? Okay. Now what is amount is given? CO2. It
CO2
is.
1.25 kg.
Can you convert it into gram first?
So it's 1250.
1250. So 1250 upon 44.
44, yes.
That will become 28.4 moles. Right? So
Yes.
here it is the kg. We have to convert it into the gram. Right? And then we have to divide it by molar mass. Right?
Yes.
Now you can come to D.
Okay, D. D. Okay. Okay, got it. So for D, it is 142.05.
Yeah. The number of mole will be
The number
155.
0.2 kg.
Yeah. How much it will be in gram? Into 1000.
Yes. So that would be, yeah. So that would be 155,200
Yeah.
divided by
Divided by
42.05 equals 1092.6.
mole. Okay. Now you know how to convert gram of any compound into mole.
Yes.
Now next comes the molecules. It is in two steps. First step will be convert the number of mole, and one mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now you see the A. A is 55.9 gram of Cl2. Now convert it into the moles. How much moles is there? Cl2. Cl2 means how much is it? 2 into 35, 70. Okay.
Okay.
Then number of moles will be how much? Number of mole will be 55.9 upon 70. Yes. These we have done now. Last questions we have done number of moles. This is n is number of moles. This much moles. Okay. Hello. 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 Kian, are you connected?
Hello, I cannot hear.
Hello. Hello. Are you connected?
Hello, I cannot
Hello.
hear you properly.
You are not able to. Okay. See you blackboard, whiteboard. Up to this point, we have already learned how to calculate the mole. Hello.
One second.
Hello. Hello. You are in mute now, Kian.
Hello?
Hello. Now
Hello?
are you able to hear me?
Yeah, now I'm able to hear you.
See, in last questions, we have seen how to calculate the number of moles from a given mass of chemical compound, right? Sorry. So up to this point, you are able to do it because suppose this is given 55.9 gram of chlorine 2 Cl2. So molecular mass will be 70, and then
Yeah.
number of moles will be 55.9 upon 70. Okay. Now this the molecules we have to change means mole we have to replace with the Avogadro's number. It is 55.9 upon 70 into Avogadro is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules will be there, right? So up to this point you have seen in last paper, here you have to replace with Avogadro's number. If you have to replace mole with molecules, you have to multiply it by the Avogadro's number, right? Now you see the A.
Yeah. Yeah.
Able to understand?
Yes.
Now comes to C.
Just see.
Try to do it. C is
90.5
yeah
mg C4H10.
90.5 mg C4H10. First, we have to find the molecular mass of C4H10.
Yeah.
Already
So it's 4 times 12 plus 10 times 1.
how much it is?
So it's 58.
58. Okay. Now the mole will be, this is milligram, 90.5 milligram. How
Yes.
much gram it will be there? Divided by,
0.0905.
yeah, divided by 1000. So
Yes. 9.
0.0905 divided by, this molar mass is 58. So this will be divided by 58. This will be the mole. Okay. And now to convert the molecule, it will be 0.0905 upon 58 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule will be there. Okay.
Okay.
So now you came to know how to find out the molecules from a given mass of compound. Are you able?
Yes.
Okay. Then again, similarly, you can do for B also.
Yeah.
Molar mass is given. You can find out the molar mass of K2CO3.
तो तूने कैसे तो जवाब दे
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Like that you can do it. Now, shall we go for next question?
yes
Yes.
There is 77.
full screen कर full screen
It is similar. Mass is given. Compound is given. It is NaCl. It is given NaCl. NaCl molar mass you can find out.
Yeah.
Sodium is how much? 22. Here it is given 22. Chlorine is 35.5. So like that you can find out the molar mass. And from molar mass you can find out the mole. Means 30. This will be 0.27 into 10 raised power minus 3. Because it is milligram. We have to find it gram. 8 upon 35 point, this one. It will be 58. This whole will be 58.
Yes.
So number of moles. Now suppose we have to find out the number of moles, then multiply by A. Hello?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm not able to see you.
Let me see. Can you see me now?
No. Okay, now. But what you do, see, I have given four papers, all papers, na? Solve the questions. So you go through it, and I have just brief you how to solve these papers, how to calculate the molar mass, how to calculate the moles, right there. So I think you will be able to calculate now.
Yes.
Okay. Then what I have given in the mail, that message, WhatsApp, what will be the next chapter? It will be thermodynamics or whatever it is.
Mm,
Next chapter will be
I don't know yet because we didn't start. I don't know, like by end of this week probably.
okay, no problem. Okay. है ना? So now you go through this. If you got any problem, then we'll see it in next whenever we are joining it. We'll see it next time. Okay.
Okay.
And one thing you ask to your parents whether it is recording there. If recording is there, then I may not be able to continue it because recording is not allowed in this one. Na. It is one to one only. It is not for the public. Okay. Okay. Bye then.
Okay, bye.
Okay.